Hey, where you guys going? Alright, here we are in Asakusa, and there's the big golden turtle that you can kind of see it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I think we're going right.
Hey, Dad.
What?
It's corn.
It's corn?
Yeah, it's corn.
What do you mean it's corn?
It's corn.
Still pretty early. It's like almost barely. Oh wow, look at this cool little street. Let's check this out. Oh look, there's your McDonald's.
I wanted to go
Yeah,
to the
let's
golden
go.
turret.
Let's go check it out. Ooh, they got kebabs. Yay! Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna try that later.
Hey, is this a barber shop?
Yeah, that is a barber shop. We'll get you a haircut there later.
I thought maybe it was a ice cream. This is McDonald's. Yes. Dad, can we go inside the McDonald's?
No.
Oh, don't be so rude.
I'm guessing everything must open at 9. It's what, 8 o'clock now. Oh, this is cool around here. Yeah, well, we'll come down here tonight and party. Party hard, guys. You know, when I looked on the map, they didn't have this many like restaurants and stuff. There's freaking hundreds of restaurants on. I was kind of worried because I only saw like a few restaurants here and there, but there's like a restaurant every 10 feet. This is gonna be awesome. I'm guessing they have to open at 9, right? It's 8 o'clock now. This is so cool. It's so Japanesey.
Do you smell it?
That's a cigarette. It's disgusting, isn't it? I wonder what's down there. Look at these like little
Fried ice cream.
stalls or something.
How can you just tell it deep fried ice cream? That's it.
Because I've eaten it before. Dad, deep fried ice
Oh,
cream
that's
is
yeah.
that way.
There's the deal. There's the shrine down
The
there.
thing says
All
it's
right.
like 13 minutes away.
I'll take it right here. Oh, I saw this on the. I saw this on the
Is this supposed to
one of
tell
the
a
YouTube
story?
videos.
Is this supposed to tell a story or something?
Tell us the story.
I don't know. You can see the shrine down there.
Hold on. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. Wait, I need to take a picture.
Clean off your lens. Clean off your lens. Well, just use your shirt, dude. You don't have to.
Spat on it?
Use the softer side of your. Let's see, it opened up over there. They're starting to open.
Where is it? Where's the picture?
Should it be high strip Becky or low strip Becky?
Let's try back here. Rice cake.
Just making sure it looks good. Nice and crispy, he says.
What? Peanut okay?
Oh, peanut, yeah. And try to eat it. Go eat it. Go. What is it? Is it good? I'll try it. Oh, that is good.
Okay.
Wait, which one is that? This one?
400.
Let's get some of those. Yeah, let's get some of those. What? I don't know. Put that down. Yeah, here. Let's look at this.
Thank you.
Here, hold the camera. Don't put your finger over the lens.
Wow,
You know what?
this is really nice video quality.
They look good?
They're good?
Yeah.
400.
Put it normal.
Arigato.
Right. The
Oh,
present.
arigato.
Japanese sweet pancake inside the red bean.
Oh, red bean. I see. Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you.
Ooh,
Red
can I
bean.
have some of that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Arigato.
Arigato.
Oh, it's red.
There's red bean inside.
I'm not that into I don't like that much. When they done
You don't like it? The red bean? Ooh, look at that. Oh, I can't wait till all this stuff opens up. It's gonna be so cute.
hold it. Oh, no.
Oh, this neighborhood is awesome. I didn't think it was gonna be this cool.
Please.
I thought I thought that what's the other neighborhood that I got us an Airbnb, but I canceled it. It was, can't remember, but
Oh, wait, I have.
the travel agent said this is where we want to be, and she was right. This is cute.
Look how big the tower is.
The sky tree. Isn't that cool? What is that? Okay, so this. There's a. I think this is a This is a Shinto.
How cozy it looks in
Oh wow! Look how cool that is.
there. You don't like it?
Take it.
This is a Shinto shrine, I think, and then to the right up here is a Buddhist one
Well, I gotta take a picture of
You have to take a picture of that.
that
Oh, look at the face.
supposedly is the oldest in Tokyo. Oh, dog taking a pee right there.
Oh my god, you should
That was actually pretty good. That's not bad. You didn't like it?
that. No.
She ate a pancake with red bean in the middle.
Wait. I wanted to take a picture of that.
You guys take off your mask while we're walking out in the open like this so we can get good video. You can see your faces. Maybe get close to someone, then I guess put it back on. But
Oh my god, I know what this is. This is where you can get a good fortune or a bad fortune. Right?
wow, look how cool this is.
Oh my god!
Be respectful. Hey, be respectful. This is like their gods and stuff, dude. So like, don't shout. Don't do dumb stuff, okay? Hey, when we're around these places, be a good boy, okay? Don't be silly. So cool. Wow, it's so awesome.
Can I go in there?
I don't know.
Just don't.
Yeah, don't. I don't want to get in trouble. Ooh, the vending machines. I've been waiting to try one of these. Let's buy something out of here. Corgi. Yeah, you corgi. All right. Oh, so the Buddhist temple's over there, the oldest one. All right. Though, film me getting something out of the vending machine because this is like one of my dreams. Oh, look, that's
What do you wanna get?
IC card.
Get something
So,
yummy.
They take the IC card here. This is a card you buy.
Well, your camera's incredibly nice.
I know.
It's so good. Oh my god.
Alright, so you buy this card when you first get here. And then
Fear,
a
you
lot
know
of
that?
places accept it, including this thing.
Do you have
and,
enough? Burger King accepted it.
Even Burger King.
Yeah.
And but also the train station. So what do we want to buy?
Ooh, can we get
Pocari
this?
Sweetwater. You want to try
Ew.
that one?
What is it?
Organic drink, it says.
Vitamin C?
Hey,
I don't
Vera.
even know how to select it.
Vera,
though.
look, you know.
I think you
know.
just tap it, possibly.
Hey,
Well, I know,
you
but I mean,
you know that
you're
flat
right, yeah.
corgi we just saw?
Yeah.
I
Alright,
zoomed
you
in
want
on
that,
it.
Jack, Jack? Okay, they got water.
What is-
over here, and tea.
What about that?
Ooh.
Alright, here we go. Try this one.
I
You
want
want
this
that one?
Yes.
Yeah, let's try that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Is it alcohol?
I don't think so.
The work?
I'll smell it.
Oh.
Oh, sweet. I don't think it gave us what we want though. Oh, no,
Why did I take a
Oh,
picture?
that's cool.
look. All right, let's try this thing.
Move your big head, Jack.
Hey, that's not what we wanted.
Let's try this.
Yes, it is. It's literally the same thing.
No, it's not. It's brown though.
Smells like soda pop, kind of. All right.
Okay, this looks good. Hey, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
Tastes like.
I can't explain it, but it's good.
Yeah, I don't know what that flavor is. It is good though.
Let me try some. Here,
Oh, they
you
got
want your
water.
phone? Let me try it. What does it taste like?
I can't explain it.
I agree. It tastes like pixie sticks with water. Or
Yeah, it does,
pixie
huh?
stick.
Pixie sticks.
Yeah.
Good call. All right, so they got the.
Look at the baby.
We can purify our soul over here, somewhere over here. Look at the guys just like raking up the tiny leaves there. I love how clean they are here. I love that. Absolutely. That's the old.
Here, come this
We'll go over there. Look how cool this is.
That's pretty cool.
Oh wow, look at that
Inside there?
inside there.
This is awesome. I'm so excited.
I almost lost my sunglasses. I don't know if you could see him in there. It's like a. It says new closed mouth style. This is new closed mouth style. Was chiseled by sculptor Muraka
That's okay.
Kurosaku in 1964. The statue, made of cypress, is 5.45 meters high and almost 1,000 kilograms in weight. He's a deity for Sensoji. They are set in the Hazuman.
Here.
It's turning out to be a nice day, isn't it?
Oh, we have two of them.
Huh.
There's something on the side of the temple I want to show you.
What? Alright, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, bro. Ooh, look how cool it is. Where are you going?
I thought it was here. There's this thing with the good, you know, the good fortune thing? I thought it was here.
Oh, let's go get our, I think we can get our, like, good fortune over here.
Oh, yeah, it's over there.
We tie our names to those little racks, I think. Maybe we'll do that later so we can ask someone how to do all this stuff. Eva, take off your mask so I can see your face on the video. Please. think that they turn when they get that thing lit. Yeah, they got like smoke that.
Goes in your face.
Yeah.
You can blow it in. Here, I'm gonna do that right now. Are you fair? Can you hold this?
No, stop. Be respectful. Well, look at all the swastikas on the roof there. I don't think they're swastikas though. I assume they call them something else. Hi, Yak. What do you think, Yak?
That. Is that real gold?
I doubt it. Check.
Can you go in it?
I assume so. I don't know.
It's kind of slippery.
I think they have like a little street fair or something going on, or like a market.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're here. You're supposed to put some money in this thing. I don't know how much, but here's one. I guess that's enough. I don't know. Here, Jack, come here.
Oh, wait.
Put that in your pocket. And then put that in there. And then pray, like do like a little like hands together and
I'll hold it.
Did it?
Slave.
I won.
They're making the sleeve.
All right, hold that. Oh, they're telling everybody to leave?
There's some.
Are they? He's pointing up at something. No, he's saying look up, I think.
Oh.
Oh, wow, look at it in here. Holy cow. Look how awesome this is in here. Wow, look at that.
Hey, Dad.
What? Huh? What is it? Okay. Well, we'll go over there. I don't know how to do it. No? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Said not to film, I think. I'm gonna turn. All right, we're gonna go.